The View 20 is the latest offering from Honor, Huawei's sub-brand. And today we're gonna unbox the Honor View 20 and take a quick look at it. Hello everybody, as always, my name is George, this is JS Tech, and this time around we're gonna unbox the Honor View 20. Let me start with this. If you enjoy my videos, please hit the subscribe button down below, because that will help me a lot. And now, I want to share with you why I chose the Honor View 20 as my next testing phone. I was wondering what to get, either the Honor View 20 or the P30 Pro, but I chose the Honor View 20 mainly because on my channel I try to focus on more budget stuff. The Honor View 20 shares a lot of similarities with the P30 Pro. The chipset, similar camera setup, and similar build. Before we unbox the Honor View 20, let's take a quick look at the main specs of the phone. This is the box of the Honor View 20. On the front of the box you can see the blue variant of the phone, although inside I have the midnight black version. There's the legal information, model number and all that stuff. On the sides you can see again the Honor View 20 sign. That's pretty much for it. When you open the box, you're greeted by the phone itself. As I said, it's the midnight black version of the phone. All glass back, dual cameras, fingerprint and all that stuff. If we put the phone on the side, underneath you can see the SIM ejector tool. Inside here you also get the legal information, warranty card. Beneath that it's the receipt and the local warranty for the phone. And down here we have the USB Type-C cable, a headphone, a pair of headphones, something that's quite rare nowadays, and the Huawei supercharge adapter. As a present, I also got this good looking case. It's an aftermarket case, and a tempered glass that I've already installed on the phone itself. And so that was the unboxing of the Honor View 20. I plan to use the phone as my daily driver once I'm done with reviewing the Redmi Note 7. The Redmi Note 7 review should be out within a few days. And that was it for today's video as well, guys. I really do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. If you didn't, you also know what to do. I also hope that I will see you again in my next video. And until that time, from JS Tech, it's bye bye.